Okay, now we go to the chapter 4, part B. Okay, cost of the production. Previously, we see the output, okay? Total output, AP, average output, MP, marginal output, and so on. Now, sir, this part is we seeing the cost of the production. The cost of the production, whatever the cost we use for the produce the good and services is called cost of the production. Yeah, I think this is on it. Okay, cost of the production. Okay, cost of the production is divided by the two types, which is one is the cost is used for the short run, another one is the cost for the use for the long run. But what the difference between the short run and long run is the all the production of the for the short run we use the two different type of the cost, which is because we use the two different type of the input, fixed input and also the variable input. Okay, so for the short run, we use the fixed cost, and the variable cost. For the long run, we use the variable input only. Therefore, the cost is a variable cost only we use for the long run. Okay, I think as you are clear this one. Okay, okay, a fixed input, the amount input is a input which is a quantity does not change according to the amount of the output. Variable input is a input, the quantity vary according to the amount of the output. Just is a labor. Okay, so we have the short run production. We have the inside the total cost. Okay, we were have the two type of the cost, which is a TFC plus with the TVC. Okay. Okay, TFC is a total variable cost, which is the cost is used for the total for the fixed cost. Okay, total variable cost is a variable total variable cost. Okay, so ATC, the formula ATC is equal to the EC divided with the Q. For the AFC, TFC divided with the Q, ABC, TVC equal to TVC divided with the Q. Marginal cost is changes in the TC divided with the changes in the Q. Okay, for the this one, I explain very roughly. Okay, for the short run curve, okay, for the short run curve, the DC is if you see the yellow color is higher because the DC is contain the TVC plus with the TFC. Okay, you can see the TVC is increasing rate. Okay, increasing rate. But the TFC is same. Why the TFC is horizontal like this? Because this is a fixed input where the cost is not changes according to the changes of the amount of the output. Okay, but the TFC is changes, the cost will be changes according to the increasing of the amount of the output. Okay. Okay, so this one's how do we looking figure in the average average ATC upper, the yellow color is average ATC, this is ABC, AFC. Okay, then this is MC. Okay, so look at this schedule. Okay, if you see the quantity is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And TFC is the fixed amount, which is 20 for the all the quantity of. If a quantity also increases, the cost of the TFC is not increasing. This is a very fixed cost. That's why we call that this is a fixed cost. Okay, TVC is increasing according to the changing in the quantity. Okay, so total cost is equal to TFC plus with the TVC, which is okay. Normally they give this amount, this amount, this amount. We need to find this one for the 4, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and until we can be fine if they give the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for example 20, how to get the 20? 20 plus with the 0 we get the 20. How to get the V50 50 TC? Because 30 plus with the 20 we get the 50. Okay, same like goes to the AFC. Okay, how to get the AFC? AFC is equal to the TFC divided with the Q. Okay, for example, this is a negative y, negative TFC y, TFC TSC 20 divided with the Q, we get nothing. So that's why here dash lah all this. How to get the 20? 20 is a TSC what? 20 divided with the 1, we get the 20. How to get the 6.67? Okay, 20 divided with the 3, get the 6.67 and so on. Okay, so average variable cost, how to ABC, how do we get? Okay, 15. 15, how do we get? 50 divided with the 1, we get the 15. How do we get the 8.87? How do we get the 8.87? TVC, TVC is a 35 divided with the 4, we get the 8.87. Okay, the average total cost. Average total cost, how to get? So we need to see the TC divided by the Q. TC. So example 35 divided with the 1, so get the 35. How to get the 13.75? Okay, 55 divided with the 4, we get the 13.75. Okay, for the MC, how to get the MC? MC is a changes in the TC divided with the changes in the Q. So how to get the 15? 15 is a, okay, we need to 35 minus with the 20 divide with the 1 minus with the 0, we get the 50. Okay, how to get the 10? 10, okay, 10, okay, 65 minus with the 55 divide with the 5 minus with the 4, we get the 10. Okay, we go to the next short run cost curve. Okay, short run cost curve is a look like this. S is for the short run ATC, S average variable cost, short run average fixed cost. Okay, what the relationship between the MC and ATC? MC curve lie below the ATC. ATC is falling. ATC is falling. When the MC lies above the ATC is increasing. Okay, when the MC cut, the TVC is the minimum point of the ATC. Okay, this is the relationship between the ATC and MC. Okay, we go to the next. Cost curve in the long run. Okay, for the long run is a period, they are only variable factor, it's a no fixed cost involved. Okay, they repeat again lah. So the long run, they have a no the fixed cost, variable cost only. Show the minimum cost of the producing any given output when all the input are variable. Long run period where the firm plan how to minimize average cost. Okay, long run contains the many, short run, average cost. This is a long run. Okay. Okay. Long run production cost U-shaped due to the law of the return of the cell. Okay, return of the cell of the firm expand here. Size and scale of the production is a long run average cost will be increased and decreased later stage. I think this is no need. Okay, this is a concept of the revenue. Total revenue, okay, total revenue is equal to the price multiplied with the quantity, and average revenue equal to the total revenue divided with the quantity. So AR, this is AR is a formula, is a P darab dengan Q divided with the Q. Okay, this is a price. Okay. For the MR is the formula is changes in the TR divided with the changes in the quantity. Okay, I think it's not right. Okay, thank you, class. Stop here.